January, day 22. Have you ever seen anything cuter than this? Today we're making stuffed peppers, and we're making them into jack-o'-lanterns, as you do. Also, it's 2025 now, America. I'm gonna stop giving you imperial measurements. I'll keep doing the oven temperatures. If you still need cups and tablespoons, just let me know down in the comments below. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. In a large skillet over medium, heat 30 milliliters of vegetable oil. Cook 1 chopped onion, stirring occasionally until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 crushed clove of garlic and 30 milliliters of tomato paste. Now stir this in until fragrant, about 1 minute more. Add 680 grams of veggie ground beef. Now break it up with a wooden spoon, about 5 minutes. Stir in 375 milliliters of cooked rice and 400 milliliters of chopped tomatoes. And season with 7 milliliters of oregano and salt and pepper to taste. Let simmer, stirring occasionally until the liquid has reduced slightly, about 5 minutes. Arrange peppers cut side up in a 20 to 30 centimeter baking dish and drizzle with oil. Spoon the mixture into each pepper. Now top each with vegan cheddar cheese. Now cover the baking dish with foil. Bake peppers until tender, about 35 minutes. Uncover and continue to bake until cheese melts, about 10 minutes more. They look yummy. Sprinkle with a bit of chopped parsley. Alright, let's try it. Oh, he's so cute. That is so good. That's amazing. You're yummy. It's hard to eat something with a face on it. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.